Well, good afternoon and welcome to the channel. It's going to be a short video on the grip gear director set from Grip Gear that I've purchased and had a little play with. So yeah, it's a nice little thing. It's not over expensive. That's what I like about it. It's only 130 odd quid. So you know, very nice. And it works well, I think it does anyway, from what it is, and it will take my Olympus One Mark II with a 12 to 40 on it. I did test it with that. That is the horizontal one that was running with a little video, and the vertical one is with the GoPro, time lapse from the GoPro. So yeah, it's quite. It looks quite nice, the bits I've done, so you can tell, you can comment on me what you think. So yeah, it's all very good. It's lovely and sunny up here in Hertfordshire this morning, this afternoon now. So yeah, so what we're about to do, let's go and have a look at this, shall we? This is the box it came in, which is nicely packed. I will show you that a bit later on. And this is how the setup is. It's on the tripod, and below it is the battery pack. If I get my, there we go. That's below is the battery pack, and then we're gradually working up the slider. And as we go up, there we go, going up, we go up to where the little motor is up there, and GoPro on top, and then it goes. That's on a selfie stick, by the way, just to give it a bit more height. Let's go around the back and we will show you the fittings, which I'm not. The grip, I don't really like those. Let's come down. Let's go down to this one. I can show you a bit better. Let's size the focus. There we go. These are not. They're reasonably tight. You can get them reasonably tight, but I don't like it. And I'll show you the Gobi Gorilla type pod I've got to hold it when I do it. But there we go. That's how it is. And say from this side you can just see the battery clamps. These are just clamps holding it on because I couldn't find a bit of velcro to wrap around, so I had to use a couple of clamps I put knocking about. So there you go. That's how it is. Quite nice. Back around the front. See if I can turn that a bit into the sun. So we're gonna try to get the shadow off it, but I don't think I can. No. Okay. Yeah, that's the GoPro and the motor again. Right, so we will go now and have a look how it comes packed in a box with the dolly as well. And that's all in the box. I'll show you that. So we'll do that out in the garden here in the sunshine. Okay, so what are we looking at? This is the box it comes in. This is the packaging. Very secure packaging. It really is secure in here. Obviously, these are your slider rails and your part that holds the slider rails together. You slide them together and tighten it all up on that. This has a mount in it for a tripod. So do the feet. I'll take this one out. There we go. Once you open up these feet, in there you can put a tripod. I don't know how safe it'll be, but you can put it in. And these can wrap round things or freestand, so that's not bad. So yeah, obviously this fits it together. This is your motor in here, so you can put it on the slider put it on a tripod. This is where your tripod head fits in there. There's this small one over here, just locks in. You can adjust it, and that's the power on. USB charger. That runs that. This is a they supply you with a, I'll get it out of the box. I can't get it out, but that's a phone adapter, so you can put the phone on it. This side is part of the dolly system, so this will run it once you've got it on fitted with this. The motor, this fits on your motor and then obviously drives it. This is your dolly, part of your dolly thing. The motor fits in here. Excuse me. The motor fits in here. You screw it on to hold it tight, and obviously you can turn these how you want them, and then you can rotate to your heart's content. Not had a go with that yet, so things to do with that. Remote control, infrared. Actually, not very good. You have to be fairly close for it to work, I found. Obviously charging lead, and these are your drives that you get. Two different drives, two different speeds. I believe I forget which one's which now, but I think the blue one is the faster one, use it with the dolly, and this one you can use it to rotate. And you have this, if I can get it out again, there we go. You just clip this on top of here somehow, like that. Anyway, it fits in there. Clip that on top of there, clips on, and then you can mount it like that with your GoPro in, and it will do all the way around for 160. So yeah, very good. And you can use either of these on there, it doesn't really matter, but I think I do realise one is a bit slower than the other one. That feels a little higher geared than that one. So yeah, very nice little device, especially for the money, I thought. Obviously normal GoPro, even a GoPro on there. Is that a 6? Can't remember what it is, 6 or 7. I think it's a 6. Works well, as you know. This is the battery pack I've been using. It's quite good. Gives me, I forget what the rating is for this. Can't remember. Small print. Yeah, it's quite a bit. Anyway, it's enough to power. I run the motor, the GoPro, for, I say, 4 hours on this, and it hardly took any charge out of it whatsoever. So very good. And this is the little GoPro Joby GoPro thing, which is quite nice. Good thing about these are magnetic. If I can find something, oh, there we go. See, they're magnetic, so you can, if you do put it on something that's metal, it will actually hold it. So yeah, it's quite a nice little device, I think. So I've just ordered another one, so I've got a pair of these, and I think screwed to the bottom of these legs and then clamped around something, be a lot more secure than those feet. So there we go, that's it. So now we will go and see some video of the horizontal and the vertical. The vertical is the time lapse. Horizontal was with the Olympus, just sliding backwards and forwards. So yeah, let's go and have a look at those. And whilst I'm here, I should say thank you for watching. Hopefully you're still there watching and not got bored. So yeah, and if you're new, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon, you'll know. And subscribing is free, don't forget. Hit the bell icon, you'll know when I got another video coming up. And that's all good. Catch you on the next one.